Welcome back. So as you guys can probably already tell by this green box on my desk, I have the October of 2023 Crate Club General box right here. This box is a little bit smaller than normal, so I'm pretty curious to see what's inside. Let's check it out. So if you're not familiar with Crate Club, it is a monthly or quarterly subscription box that delivers some pretty cool survival, outdoors, tactical, and EDC gear right to your doorstep. I have the general box right here, which is the quarterly box, but it's also the most expensive. There are some cheaper options, and those are by the month, and I'll put those links down below in my description box if you want to grab one of these bad boys for yourself. So as always, I'll give you guys a peek at what's inside, but then I'll put the box down just because there's no room on my desk for all this stuff. So there you go. This is what I like to call the cheat sheet. I'll be referring to this as we go along, and there is some really cool stuff in here I can already see. In fact, let me pull that out first. This is the WorkSharp guided sharpening system. Let me get this box out of the way. You guys see what I'm talking about? No room. So put that box down there. So check this out. The guided sharpening system by WorkSharp. I already have a bunch of WorkSharp sharpeners. I have the knife and tool sharpener, and I have the precision adjust, along with a couple small little guys, sort of like this right here. These are infinitely useful when you're looking to just quickly touch up and sharpen one of your knives. So let's check this out. Let's cut that little tab open right there. And all right, let's see that right there. So let me pull out this guy right here. So wow, this is a lot bigger than I thought it was going to be. Then there's another little add-on piece right there, and it looks like it has some more sharpening plates right here. This is really cool. This is a 600 grit, and already attached to the main base is a 320 grit. And then you can see the angles for your knife right there. It looks like there's a 17 and a 20 degree angle. So how does this work? Does it just flip? Yeah, these little angle guides just flip right around. Just like that, pretty easy. And how does this plate lift out right here? Yep, all right. Just magnetic. You can see the back right there if you want to switch out the 320 for the 600. Yeah, that's pretty easy. And under these angle guides right here, you can see a 22 degree guide right there on both sides. And this right here with these ceramic rods, just turn that. Get some different results there. There's another small one on the side. And I'm guessing that this piece right here just lifts out and this piece just plops into place. So lock and unlock arrows right there on the side. So do I just flip? Yeah, duh. You just flip that forward. That's pretty easy. And then fit this one in its place. Does it have to go in a certain way? Just clicks right in, and then take that lock. And that piece should just slide and lock into place, but it's not really doing it for me right now because I'm on video and I'm not really paying attention to how it should be properly done, but you guys get the idea. And this insert right here shows what kind of knife are you sharpening, a bunch of different information on how to get your knives as sharp as they can possibly be with this system. So I'm sure this is a great system. I just have to play around with it, learn how to properly use it. In fact, I rarely use my precision adjust or my knife and tool sharpener. I just don't seem to get the best results with that. I usually just use a whetstone and a strop. So a system like this, a manual system like this, I think I prefer a lot better. So this is the WorkSharp guided sharpening system. You put all this off to the side and grab what's in the box next. So next is this right here. Looks like some straps. Yeah, according to the cheat sheet right here, this is the Model Infinity Strap 4-pack. Meet the Infinity Tool, the wearable, adaptable companion for all of life's adventures. With a platinum silicone super loop and a 304 stainless steel stud links, this utility bracelet doubles as a versatile gear strap that is designed to allow you to do more with what's at hand. One bracelet can hold up to 70 pounds. Multiple bracelets can be linked together for additional strength. That's why they call it the Infinity Strap, I'm guessing. Comes in 8 and 16-inch versions, not for climbing. So after reading that, this looks like it's pretty self-explanatory. This is the 8-inch and 16-inch straps. And you can just link these infinitely with this stainless steel buckle right here. With all these links right here, it just fits right over and just creates another link. This is actually very cool. Stuff like this that I would probably never buy for myself, I love pulling out of boxes. And I like this small one right here that you can use as a bracelet. I'll probably never use that as a bracelet, but it's still pretty cool. But that's pretty self-explanatory. Let's move on to the next thing. Oh, and the next thing I pulled out right here is an accessory upgrade kit for that guided sharpening system right here. I should have probably looked a little bit closer before I did that first, but it's an upgrade kit. And oh yeah, here we go. So it looks like it comes with a leather strap right here, and that's gonna fit right on top. Take that out just because it's a magnet. There we go, very cool. And on the side right here, there is an extra fine 800 and an extra coarse 220. So these are very useful. And inside here, we have some more angle guides, a 25-degree angle, some white petroleum right there. So this is a very cool upgrade kit. All right, next, and look at this. The Nitecore EDC27 everyday carry flashlight. If you're subscribed to my channel, you probably already saw my review on this flashlight. So I just grabbed it from my shelf back there. This is the EDC27 from Nitecore. And I'm not going to spend too much time on this because I did a full review on this flashlight, but I did like this flashlight overall. The UI is a little bit wonky. There's like half presses and full presses on this mode switch right there, which I'm not really used to because usually the half presses and full presses come on a button such as this and not a mode switch. But I absolutely loved the form factor here with this flat design. There's a maximum of 3,000 lumens in this bad boy, a throw of 220 meters, 12,200 candela. But if I remember correctly, I had a few issues with it. First off, it gets extremely hot if you use those 3,000 lumens for any extended amount of time. One of the hottest flashlights that I've seen in a long time. Plus the IP rating. The IP rating here is IP54. So a 5 for a dustproof rating and a 4 for a waterproof rating, I wasn't too happy with. If you're going to be carrying this every day, I want a little bit better of an IP rating than 54. Considering the standard for flashlights these days is either a 7 or 8 when you're talking about waterproof rating. So if you're ever curious about the EDC27, you can grab it right now in this quarter's Crate Club General box. But for me, I guess it's gonna make a good backup. So let's move on here. Next, what the heck is this? Nose Slap the Wake Up Stick. Nose Slap the Wake Up Stick, maximum strength smelling salts with essential oils. So these are smelling salts that have essential oils in them, 2 units per box. Nose Slap is an aromatic product that uses peppermint vapors to deliver an intense, refreshing blast of fragrance that instantly puts you in the mood to be active and engage in whatever life throws your way. Ammonia, a key ingredient in Nose Slap, has been used by both medical professionals and competitive sports athletes for years. Just one sniff of the pungent peppermint scent contained in these small, easy-to-carry vials is powerful enough to slap anyone out of a bad mood and get them back to work. Wait, what? You're telling me if I'm in a bad mood and I smell this, it'll put me in a good mood? Hold on. We are testing that right now. Because that is a bold claim, Nose Slap. It says twist cap off. Just like that. Do I just smell it from here? Oh, wow. Okay, that is very pepperminty. So is that it? I mean, it smells good, but this isn't going to put me in a good mood if I'm pissed off. And how often can I use this? Can I use this multiple times? I have so many questions. Oh, right here on the back. To activate, twist cap completely closed, then shake well. Oh, geez, I didn't do any of that. Then wait at least 5 minutes before opening. Firmly tap the tube's bottom. Pop open lid, wave the tube 6 inches under nose. Gently squeeze tube and breathe in through the nose. Immediately close the lid and wait another 5 minutes before using again. Okay, right there. Each tube has 10 uses or more. So I didn't do any of that. Maybe I should read the instructions before I just start blindly opening things. So I'm going to pause the video and I'm going to do that right now.
A few moments later.
And while I'm waiting those 5 minutes, this was in the box too, just giving you some disclaimers. saying that this isn't a drug. It's not intended for use to cure, mitigation, treatment, or prevention of disease, and all sorts of other stuff right here. So once again, I should probably pay more attention. But it's been about 5 minutes, so what I need to do now is tap the bottom firmly, open this cap up, and then squeeze it. Oh man. Yep, there it is. And check that out. So there's some residue right there from whatever is inside. I should probably close it because I said close it immediately, but there was the full effect. So that makes much more sense. Will it put me in a good mood when I'm pissed off? Probably not, but that is a wake up remedy right there. So that's a pretty interesting product. So 2 of those, no slap, the wake up stick. So let's move on. And I'm gonna pull this out next because I am familiar with that little symbol. That is fox knives. So I'm curious to see what is in here. Opening a knife with a knife, as always, and a little fabric pouch. Oh, wow. Oh, a folding karambit. Hell yes, check this out. Very cool. So let's grab the cheat sheet, see what this is. This is the Fox 599 folding karambit. Overall length is 7 inches. Blade length is 2.56 inches. N690 stainless steel, Emerson wave for rapid deployment. That's going to be this little guy right here. So when it's in your pocket, this little piece catches on the edge of your pocket and deploys it as soon as you take it out. The lock is a liner lock right there, and a black pocket clip right there. Is it reversible? Yes. Yes, you can put it on either side for left or right-handed use. I absolutely love karambits. They're not very practical for everyday use. See the little flipper tab right there on the back? Oh, come on, really? Oh, no way. That is not opening very well whatsoever. So I'm just going to use the thumb hole right there in the blade to open it up, and you can see that works just fine, obviously. And I don't know about you, but I've never been able to get this system to work in my pockets. If I pull it out, it just doesn't catch on my pocket right, and I can never open that correctly. Oh, and I didn't mention the handles either. These are some textured G10 handles right there. Those look very nice. They feel pretty good. Now let's test the sharpness right out of the box. Sorry, no slap, but you're the guinea pig. And oh yeah, very nice. So extremely sharp right out of the box. So I don't own this. So this is a very cool find in the Crate Club general box. Anything else in here? What is this? Oh, it looks like there is a extra pocket clip in there and a tool for your screws. So that's always appreciated. So that is the Fox 599 folding karambit. And let's see what else I have down here. And I am very familiar with these free key rings right here. I actually have a bunch of these. These are extremely useful. It just makes putting your keys on and taking your keys off extremely easy. I love these things. And with this big one right here, all you have to do is just give it a squeeze. And you can see once I squeeze it, just opens it right up. It's just that easy. So this is very cool. I already have a bunch of these, like I said, but can always use more. Next, the heck is this? The Titan Light refillable lighter waterproof from Exotac, the Exotac Titan Light. So it says this is waterproof, always ready, leak proof, saves lighter fluid, refillable lighter fluid, and aluminum CNC machined. Made right here in the USA. So very cool. Let's open this up and see what it's all about. All right. So right here, you got the wick. Little flint right there. I'm guessing there's nothing in there, so I had to fill it with lighter fluid. And aluminum cap. Oh yeah, that's a nice secure fit. So this is waterproof. Let me just open this up on the bottom here. There you go. Just fill it right there with lighter fluid, and you have yourself a nice waterproof lighter. So I can see this being very useful. This is going to go right inside of my backpack. Let me grab the cheat sheet here. Exotac Titan Light. Waterproof up to 1 meter. 1 revolution quick thread allows for easy access to the flame. Easy to replace flint and easy to refill fuel. Use approximately 3 milliliters on the first fill. And this is a pretty cool green color. I don't see that in the sheet right here. We can see it comes in multiple colors. That's pretty cool. And when they say that 1 revolution locking thread, you can see from off to on, it's very, very quick. And there's a little rubber gasket right there to keep it waterproof. Yes, I like this. Unfortunately, I don't have any lighter fluid near me right now, so I'm not gonna fill this and light it for you, but I'm sure you guys get the idea. And this looks like it's the last item in the box here, just in a piece of paper. What is this? Packstack? Packstack, 40 liter plus short. Looks like there's also a 60 liter plus and a tall version. They almost look like fanny packs, but are stackable. See that right there? So the weight is 94 grams. The capacity is 5.6 liters, and they are 10 centimeters tall. So I'm just gonna take that right off and see what the heck we're dealing with here. See, there's a little mesh pocket on the outside, and it looks like all the contents are inside of it. Oh, there we go. So you just pull it out of the mesh bag right there, and there's the pack. I've never seen this before, so this is all brand new to me. It looks like there's some webbing on the inside, some nylon webbing. There's a zipper right here, so the zipper looks like it closes up this part. Here we go. Zip that up like that, and there we go. So this is all meant to be stacked, so I'm guessing once it's filled, because right now it has no structure. You can see there's no structure, but how are they stackable? I'm guessing it has something to do with the webbing right here. I have no idea. And according to the cheat sheet right here, it says the Packstack is the winner of the Outside Magazine's Gear Guide Editor's Choice Award in 2022. It's a weatherproof organization and distribution tool designed to be used in conjunction with any standard 40-liter backpack. 100% made of Cordura ripstop nylon, YKK zipper. So this is pretty nice, especially if it's weatherproof. I like anything, any kind of storage solution that's weatherproof, made of ripstop. That stuff is almost indestructible. And inside there's some nice organization with this pocket right there. I think that's the only pocket on the inside. Yeah, that's the only pocket on the inside, but there is a lot of storage in here. But this is the last item in the bag here. So what do you guys think of this quarter's General Crate Club? I think there's some pretty useful items here, including that WorkSharp sharpener. I love this little lighter right here. This is very useful. And I would be through the roof excited if I didn't already own the Nitecore EDC27. As I mentioned, I already reviewed this flashlight. If you guys didn't see that, I'll put a link down below in my description box. Go check that out. This will make its way to one of my backpacks, this little Packstack right here. Some really interesting items that I've never seen before, such as this nose slap. And anytime I pull out a knife from one of these boxes, I'm excited. I don't own this, but I guess now I do. I do love Karambits. They are terrible for everyday carry, but they're legal in New York now. So I could carry this as long as it has a blade that's 3 inches or under, and this one fits the bill. All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What did you think of this? You blew it! All right, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. What did you think of this quarter's Crate Club General Box? Now, if you want to check out one of these boxes for yourself, I will have a link and discount code in my description box. But if you did enjoy this video, please give me that thumbs up. Please subscribe. And go!